Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the lesson 3 of your 12th HSC textbook, which is what? Rencontre. So now, what is the title of the chapter? As you can see here, Un esprit sain dans un corps sain, which means what? A healthy mind in a healthy body. So the title of the chapter is very clear. So the first line begins with Neil et Mehdi font un stage de football pour s'entraîner. So Neil and Mehdi are doing what? A football training camp. Okay. Here there is a picture saying Academy the Foot and the timetable is given. Academy the Foot. Then no limit pas tes défis. Défis tes limites. Do not limit your challenges, challenge your limits. So there is a timetable given over here. Program pour la semaine. So planning for the week or program for the week. So at 6 o'clock, réveil means to wake up. 6:30 exercise and running. Then 8 a.m. it is what? Pati déjeuner, breakfast. 9:30 entraînement sur le terrain, training on the ground, playground. Okay. Then déjeuner 12:30, lunch. 1 o'clock repos means relax, break. Okay. Then at 3 it is what? Entraînement technique. So technical training. At 4 o'clock it is match. At 6 o'clock it is temps libre means what? Free time. Then at 8 o'clock it is dinner and at 10 it is oli means to bed. Now below the picture we can see le premier jour après le déjeuner Neil rencontre Mehdi devant la cafétéria. The first day after the lunch, Neil meets Mehdi in front of the cafeteria. So Neil says, Salut Mehdi, ça va? Tu as l'air fatigué. Salut Mehdi, hi Mehdi, all good, are you good? So you seem to be tired. Fatigue means tired. L'air means have a vibe. So you have a tired vibe. Basically, you are tired. So Mehdi replies, Je me suis réveillé à 6 heures ce matin. C'est dur. I have woken up at 6 o'clock this morning. C'est dur. C'est dur means what? It is hard. Okay. Then, chez moi, je me lève tard et je me couche tard. So, at my place, chez moi, at my place, I wake up late and I sleep late. So, waking at 6 a.m. for him is really difficult. So, Neil says, Je suis matinal. So, I'm a morning person. Okay. Neil says, I am a morning person. Et je préfère les activités en plein air. So, I prefer the activities en plein air means outdoor activities in the air. Okay. So, la course, the running, and the exercises, l'exercice. Et surtout, and of course, what? A match de foot. And of course, a football match. En cours, on suit le ballon. We run, we follow the ball. They pass, they dribble. J'adore ça. The passes, the dribbles, I like it. Mehdi says, Tu es toujours en forme. You're always fit. En forme, always fit. Mon ami, my friend. C'est grâce à ton régime alimentaire? Is this because of your diet? So basically balanced diet. Grâce à means because of. So because of in a positive sense. So is this because of your diet? Tu n'es pas végétarien? You're not vegetarian? So Neil replies, Si, je suis végétarien. No, I am vegetarian. When a question is asked in a negative format, but the answer to that is positive, at that time, C is used. Okay. So he asked, Are you not vegetarian? And Neil wanted to reply, No, I am vegetarian. So at that time, he'll use C. Si, je suis végétarien. Je ne mange ni viande ni poisson. I do not eat neither viande, meat, nor fish. Okay. Je ne mange que des œufs. I only eat eggs. This sentence might look to be negative, but it means what? I only eat eggs. Moi, je prends des repas équilibrés. I means me. I take the balanced diet. Equilibre, repa equilibre, balanced diet. Okay. Mehdi fait signe à un garçon. So Mehdi points at a boy. Mehdi says, regarde là-bas. Look at that. C'est Chong Trong, a nouvel ami. That is Chong Trong, a new friend. Chong Trong entre dans la salle du conseiller de l'académie. So, Chong Trong enters into the counselor's room of the academy. Counselor says, conseiller, bonjour Chong, ça va bien? Bonjour Chong, are you doing well or are you good? So Chong replies, oui, pas mal. Yes, not bad. Tout le monde est sympa. Everyone here is kind. Pourtant, je ne connais pas beaucoup de monde ici. Yet, or still, I do not know everyone. A lot of people here. Beaucoup de means a lot of people here. Conseiller, counselor says, mais Chong, but Chong, essayer de participer aux activités. Essayer means to try. Try to participate in activities. Prenez l'air, take some fresh air. Ne restez pas collé à votre portable. Do not remain stick to your mobile phone. Portable, mobile phone. Collé means to be stuck. Okay. So, vous allez faire la connaissance d'autres participants. You will know about the other participants as well. Les repas équilibrés, the balanced diet, et les activités sportives and the sportive activities sont très importants pour la bonne santé, are very important for the good health. La bonne, the good, santé means health. N'oubliez pas qu'un esprit sain est aussi important qu'un corps sain. Do not forget. N'oubliez pas means do not forget that a healthy mind is as important as a healthy body. Aussi important, as much as. Okay, so as important as a healthy body. Bon courage, Chong. So, good luck, Chong. Now, on the next page, you can see there is some vocabulary given about manger équilibré, so have a balanced diet. So how do we have a balanced diet? Cereals means what? Le maize, le riz, le blé, corn, rice and wheat. Now here you have viande et poisson, so meat and fish. So in that what do we have? Les œufs, eggs, le poisson, fish, la viande, meat, le poulet, chicken. On this side, we have in the violet part, produits laitiers, milk products. So in milk products, what do we have? Le fromage, the cheese, la crème, the cream, le beurre, the butter. Then fruits et légumes. In the green part here below, we have les fruits et les légumes. So if starting from here, la pomme de terre, potato, l'oignon, onion, le chou, as you can see. Okay, it is what? Le chou fleur is, as you can see, chou fleur. Then la tomate, tomato. La fraise, strawberry. Le raisin, grapes. Le citron, lemon. La pomme, apple. And la banane, banana. Okay. So this vocabulary might not seem to be important right now, but these l'avion, the poulet, etc., you should know what is at least veg, non-veg. When there comes a passage, you should be able to differentiate between these, and you should be able to use words to write these down. I hope you're clear with this video. I have tried to cover it in as less time as possible, so you can watch this video multiple times. Okay? Keep revising, keep studying hard, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.